Hello everyone and welcome back to Antrix Media, where we explore the world of science and technology. In this video, we will be sharing 10 fascinating facts about the human brain that will leave you in awe. So let's dive into it. Fact number 1, the brain can rewire itself. One of the most fascinating facts about the brain is its ability to rewire itself. This is known as neuroplasticity, and it allows the brain to adapt and change in response to new experiences. For example, if a person loses their sight, their brain will rewire itself to compensate for the loss of vision. Studies have also shown that learning a new skill or language can increase the brain's neuroplasticity, making it easier for the brain to adapt to new situations. Fact number 2, the brain is energy intensive. The brain may only account for 2% of a person's body weight, but it uses 20% of the body's energy. The brain requires a constant supply of glucose and oxygen to function properly. If the brain is deprived of these essential nutrients, it can result in impaired cognitive function and even death. This is why it is important to maintain a healthy diet and stay hydrated to ensure that the brain is receiving the nutrients it needs. Fact number 3, the brain is a master multitasker. Despite popular belief, the brain is not capable of multitasking in the traditional sense. Instead, it switches between tasks quickly, giving the illusion of multitasking. This is known as task switching, and it can result in a decrease in productivity and an increase in stress levels. Studies have shown that it is better to focus on one task at a time to maximize productivity and reduce stress. Fact number 4, the brain is divided into two hemispheres. The brain is divided into two hemispheres, the left and right hemispheres. The left hemisphere is responsible for logical thinking, language, and analytical skills. The right hemisphere is responsible for creativity, intuition, and spatial awareness. Although each hemisphere has its own unique functions, they work together to allow us to perform complex tasks. Fact number 5, the brain can produce new neurons. For a long time, it was believed that the brain stopped producing new neurons after childhood. However, recent studies have shown that the brain can produce new neurons throughout a person's life. This process is known as neurogenesis and is thought to be responsible for improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Fact number 6, the brain is responsible for dreams. Dreams are a mysterious and often confusing experience, but they are actually a product of the brain. During sleep, the brain produces electrical activity that can be seen on an EEG, electroencephalogram. This activity is responsible for creating dreams, which can range from vivid and realistic to strange and abstract. Fact number 7, the brain can create false memories. Our memories are not as reliable as we might think. The brain has the ability to create false memories, which are memories of events that never occurred. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including suggestion, imagination, and misinformation. False memories can be particularly problematic in criminal cases, where eyewitness testimony can be influenced by false memories. Fact number 8, the brain is wired for empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It is a complex emotion that involves both cognitive and emotional processes. Recent studies have shown that the brain is wired for empathy, with certain regions of the brain being activated when we observe someone else experiencing pain or distress. This allows us to experience a degree of empathy and can help us understand the feelings of others. Fact number 9, the brain can be hacked. As our reliance on technology continues to grow, so does the risk of our brains being hacked. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are devices that allow people to control computers or other devices using their thoughts. While BCIs have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, they also pose a security risk. Hackers could potentially gain access to a person's thoughts, compromising their privacy and even their identity. Fact number 10, the brain can regulate mood. Finally, the brain is responsible for regulating our mood. Chemical messengers called neurotransmitters are responsible for transmitting signals between neurons in the brain. These neurotransmitters play a key role in regulating mood, with imbalances being linked to mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. Treatments such as medication and therapy aim to restore balance to these neurotransmitters, improving mood and overall mental health. Thank you for tuning in to Antrix Media, and we hope you have enjoyed learning about the human brain.